face!
Yeah, I woke up like this and it sucks hard. Random skull's doing it for me, though.
How are you carrying that? I'm already tired of holding this pose! Oh!
Do that again. Nice. Now get us out of here.
Freedom!
Well done, En.
I should have died.
Never too late for that.
What those doing on the floor?
Oh, thank RoboGod. Maybe he'll save us.
I wouldn't be too sure about that.
Hey, don't want to inconvenience you. Just deeply don't understand what I am on an existential level and... Oh, hey, Uzi! It's your friends from those weird cartoons you like!
It's called anime, En, and it's not weird.